Hello, it's me. And what I have here today in my desk, I have this Master Helicopter Plus. This puzzle has been made by Ethan Cher, which is a French designer. And this puzzle is a cubic Master Helicopter cube, because we have two layers that can rotate around an edge. Okay? So with this puzzle I can jumble both layers. I can jumble the first layer here. You have to align very well the pieces. In this way. Or I can jumble the second layer. So this puzzle is a really fantastic puzzle, because I can continue, for example, the scrambling between all these pieces. So as you can see, this little piece here, can be exchanged with this largest that occupies the same space. And I really love the shape, the structure, and how this puzzle can turn. But today is a really wonderful day for me, because I have the possibility to join in my collection a dodecahedron, which is the Master Helicopter Dodecahedron. As you know, I have a regular helicopter dodecahedron, which added new parities in the resolution, rather than the cubicopter, adding more experience with the corners. So, oh my God, why not? Why not to don't have a Master Helicopter Dodecahedron? But in this case, this is not a regular helicopter dodecahedron, but it's also a plus version. So it's a helicopter dodecahedron plus in a master. So why not? Here we go. Can't wait to open it. To open this huge box. If you don't know, this package comes from China, from my dear store Cubin. I personally buy the puzzles always there, because it's a really cheap store. In fact, considering the difficulty to make a puzzle like this, I have not paid a lot this puzzle. So the box is open. I have only to put the puzzle out in this package. Okay. I have something else, maybe not. No. So if I remember well, I have to apply the stickers on this puzzle. Yes, in fact, it is completely black. And what can I say? It's a puzzle in where I have a lot of pieces, so I can imagine the difficulty to apply all the stickers in every puzzle that they sell. So it's a correct way to sell this puzzle, in my opinion. Okay, so these are the stickers on this puzzle. Oh my God. And I can't wait to see how this puzzle can turn. I wanna see how it moves, and how is it made. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, my friend, this puzzle turns like a dream. Oh my God. As you can see, I can rotate the faces without any kind of problem. Wow, I can't wait to sticker the old face of this monster. Oh my god. Wow. I can wait to study also the rotation of the pieces, applying some algorithms. So now I want to see how does it jumble. Oh my god. If you remember, I have said that this puzzle is a plus, and the plus means that I can separate this part. Oh my god. And then I can turn back. Oh my god. And I can also split only one section of the plus pieces. Oh my god. I don't know then how to put the pieces back in position when the puzzle is not jumbled. Oh my god. However, the puzzle turns like a dream. Oh my god. In all the layers. I really recommend this store. It's a really fantastic store. This is a puzzle that would cost a really lot without this store. So I can wait to apply the stickers, and then you will see with me how does it look with all the stickers in. Hi my friends, I'm again here with you, and finally I have finished to sticker all these 1032 stickers that I have applied on the surface of this monster. Oh my god, it looks so cool when it's stickered. As you know, this puzzle turns great in each face. I can rotate both these two faces, as I explained before, and this is so cool. And I have forgotten to say that this puzzle was designed and created by a Chinese called Guo. I have never seen this guy, but I really love how does it work, because this puzzle is a really wonderful, well-made puzzle. I can wait to study it, to scramble it, because it's a puzzle that needs a pure resolution. I have done a up, up, down, down, cycling these pieces. And as you can see, this piece is isolated, and I could change with this, and then I can reply my down, down, up, up. So I can do this kind of movement. And for example, I can now do the reverse. So down, down, up, only with internal faces, up. And then I can turn this face back. And now I know how to cycle these three pieces. So this piece comes here, this here, and this here. So my friend, I'm gonna stop now the video. I really hope you like this monster. If you want to purchase a puzzle like this, you have only to go in the website of my dear friend, Cubin. And if you want to get a 5% of discount, I remember you that you can use my code called Ganoich92. So you can insert this code during the checkout of your puzzles, and then you can get the 5% of discount. So I really hope you like the video, and only for now. Thanks for watching, guys.